Hi, I'm Alex, and I lead growth marketing at Hightouch. Today, I'm super excited to walk through how we use our own product, Match Booster, internally to scale our paid ads program. Before I joined Hightouch in the B2B world, I worked mainly in B2C, and typically the best campaigns we had from a paid advertising standpoint were targeting our existing users, creating lookalike audiences off of them, or suppressing them from other campaigns. So naturally, when I joined Hightouch, that's exactly what we tried. We tried targeting our prospects, targeting our existing customers and upselling them. However, what we found is that we weren't able to do it. When we uploaded these to the ad platforms, we saw match rates or how many users actually make it to the platforms in the 1% to 2% range. And we found that the reason is at Hightouch, we were collecting business email addresses. And then when you sign up for a social account or an email account, you use your personal email. So we weren't able to find these users in the ad platforms. So for the first few months in the role, we weren't able to actually target the users who we really wanted to. So that's why I was super excited when Hightouch recently expanded our Match Booster product to support B2B use cases and B2B data. So Match Booster enriches your data with additional identifiers on its way to the ad platforms. So if you have a business email in your database, it will enrich it with personal email addresses so it can be found in the ad platforms. Doing this, we saw crazy results. We jumped from 1.4% match rate to 25.1% match rate in Google and 2.4% match rate to 24.9% match rate in Facebook. This just gets us in front of the right people who we want to talk to and saves us money. We've seen our cost per click decrease by 25% on these targeted audiences compared to audiences that we've been creating from other third-party sources for prospecting. The best part is anyone can just do this with a flip of the button. It takes a couple seconds once Match Booster is enabled in Hightouch. And I'm super excited to see how other B2Bs leverage this. I'd love to talk to anyone, whether you're interested in Match Booster or not, just about B2B advertising and growth.